Hello, this is Michael Powell. This is a building in Shandon Street which is dating back to 1770. This was previously a grocery store on the ground floor with residential apartments overhead. Formerly they ran a vegetable store downstairs and they actually rented the rooms out to people working in the old Dunlops in the marina. We'll just take a quick walk through here. This was formerly a bedroom. Again, a partition was constructed between both rooms, so there was multiple rooms. There's the old Latin plaster ceiling. It's obviously very tired. It's going to be due for regeneration. We'll be looking at converting this building back to 5 one-bedroom apartments to a very high standard with public open spaces and again, really good quality apartments. Some common problems with refurbishing old buildings. Again, you can see there's some water ingress here and the old timber heads have to be replaced. There's some wet rot and dry rot. And again, the joists going into the end of the walls, some of those are rotten, so they'll have to be spliced. And again, it's very important to treat the timber correctly in these old buildings. You can see on this joist there's quite a lot of woodworm, so again, this would need to be treated or replaced. And again, you can see your timber heads here are actually gone, so it's replacement time. So again, traditionally these will be done in timber. Now we'll be putting in concrete heads back in to make the building live on from 1770 and future-proof it. The building will go through a full mechanical and electrical fit out. All joists and floors will be strengthened, fireproofing between ceilings, then a false ceiling below that for running services. So basically it's going to be just a full rebuild internally. So this is one of the bedrooms where there's a partition wall between. We're going to open up this partition, and again we've actually beautiful views here of the river, so we're south facing onto the river. So there'll actually be 4 sash windows in this living room. You can see at the moment that the double glazing, there's old aluminium windows there, so the double glaze is broken down. So again, we'd hope to put the living kitchen area in this area and the bedroom at the back. So again, all we're doing is we're repurposing the building, and I suppose we're getting a net housing gain. Like there would have been previously residential overhead, but I suppose we're going to put 5 one-beds into this apartment, and that's the objective.